Nickel can also be used as ceramic pigment and anti-corrosive coating. Nickel is commonly used as a hydrogenation catalyst in the chemical industry. With the continuous improvement of nickel ore ball press over the years, the increasing expansion of market size, and the strengthening of infrastructure, the following important suggestions hope that you can read through. First, replace the big horse car motor. Big horse car, in addition to waste electric energy, easy to cause equipment damage. 2. The newly bought nickel ore ball press should first consider the selection of saving motor, then test other performance indicators as needed to save power. 3. Reasonable installation of parallel low voltage capacitors of large ball press for reactive power compensation, effectively improve the power factor, reduce reactive power loss, save electric energy. 4. Reasonable adjustment of large briquette ball press equipment motor matching use can make the motor run in the work area to achieve the purpose of saving. 5. Improve the efficiency of large ball press machine itself